Want to add some spice to your chord progressions? Watch this video and add the Add 11 chord to your songs. You just heard a C major Add 11 chord. Add 11 chords are written in notation with the word add and number 11 after the chord letter. You also get minor Add 11 chords, which use the same principle. For example, C minor Add 11 is written like this. Now you might be asking, how do I construct Add 11 chords? You simply take an existing major or minor triad and add an 11th note. So major Add 11 chords have the notes 1st, 3rd, 5th and 11th, and minor Add 11th chords have the notes 1st, flat or minor 3rd, 5th and 11th. These numbers show the notes that make up the Add 11 chords. They are also referring to the intervals that are within the chord. It is like a formula or recipe that you can apply to generate Add 11 chords. Let's look at an example to clarify this. The C major scale has the following notes: C, D, E, F, G, A and B. The first note is C, third note is E, and fifth note is G. These notes create a C major chord. You may be wondering how you get to the 11th note if the major scale only has 7 notes. If I continue the scale after the 7th note B, then the notes simply repeat again. This second set of notes is an octave higher than the first set of notes. So if I assign a number to each note, you can see that although the letters repeat, the numbers continue to rise to indicate this higher pitch. I can now pick up where I left off with the C major chord. The 11th note is F. This is the same as the 4th note, but it is an octave higher, so you add 7 and it becomes 11th. If you add this 11th note F to the C major triad, then you get a C major Add 11 with the notes C, E, G and F. C minor Add 11th would therefore have the notes C, E flat, G and F. The major Add 11 chord has a tense sound and they are not widely found in songwriting. The semitone distance between the third note and the fourth really builds this tension. Remember that the 4th and 11th notes are the same note. It is less cluttered than the full major 11th chord because it lacks a 7th and 9th note, so it is a bit easier to play on guitar. This makes it a little more useful for adding a bit of tension or spice to your progressions. Minor Add 11th chords are a little more versatile than their major Add 11 chord cousins. They don't sound so dissonant and can be used more widely. This is because there is now a wider distance between the flat or minor third note and the 4th/11th compared to the major Add 11 chord. I recommend experimenting with them anywhere you find a minor chord, regardless of the key. Through this experimentation you will appreciate the sound of the minor Add 11th chord and see how it fits into your songs with the instruments that you use. If you are using them diatonically, which means strictly in a key, then Add 11th chords can feature as any of the 7 chords in a major key with the exception of the 4 chord. In minor/Aeolian keys this would be every chord except the 6 chord. I'll show you some examples now using HookPad. There are links in the description if you want to get HookPad and follow along or to learn more. I'll use the key of C major for the examples, but these principles apply to any major key. First up I'll show you the major Add 11. The basic principles behind its use are similar to the standard major 11th chord. Check out our video on this chord to learn more about the full fat version. The simplest way to introduce this chord is to briefly play it as the one chord after hearing the standard version. This limits the tension that the chord brings and can be achieved rhythmically by introducing the 11th note briefly. Here's an example in a basic chord progression. It can also be nice to use the 1 Add 11 with the 5 Add 11 as their tension complements each other. Listen to how this sounds here. Moving from 1 Add 11 to 6 provides a pleasing sound. This is because 6 is the relative minor of 1 and therefore provides a satisfying resolution to the tense Add 11. For example, As has been said, the add 11 is a single note added to the standard triad. This is also true of the add 9 chord. Check out our video if you'd like to learn more about add 9 chords. In this next example, I will cycle through the major/dominant 7th, add 9 and add 11 versions of the 1 and 5 chords. Using this rhythmic idea of adding and removing a note is used a lot by guitar players because it is often a case of moving a single finger. Listen to an example of this idea now. I'll now introduce the minor add 11 chords. As I mentioned earlier, these minor add 11 chords can be used as any of the minor chords in a major key. As such, it can be tempting to use them all in your progressions, but it is worth holding fire a little and only introduce them for some variety on a repeated section or to emphasise some drama and add a bit of sophistication in the song. In this first example, I'll use the minor 2 add 11 chord. In the first 4 bars, I just play standard triads. For contrast, the second 4 bars introduce the add 11 chord and also a first inversion 1 chord. Listen to the change this provides, lifting the progression up in a rising crescendo. Next up, I'll use the 6 add 11 chord. I'll take the popular 1-6-5-4 chord progression and on repeat change the 6 to add 11. Listen to the difference this brings. You can use more than one add 11 in a progression, but it is nice to separate them out a bit to allow them to breathe. Also note in this next example how you hear the standard version and the add 11 chord. This feeling of something being the same but different is a great songwriting technique. It's also a progression that doesn't start on the 1 chord, again providing a different approach. As I discussed earlier, the 11th note is actually the same as the 4th note. This 4th note also features in sus4 chords. Check out my video on suspended chords to learn more. You can exploit this fact to provide an interesting preview of the 11th note that will feature in your add 11 chords. It is also another idea for recycling later repeats of your progression. Getting more mileage out of a single chord progression gives you more flexibility as a songwriter and can help you prevent writer's block and finish more of your songs. In this example, the first 4 bars introduce a basic 1-3-4-5 progression. On the second repeat, I bring in sus4 and add 11 chords. The 1 chord is split in 2 with the standard triad and the sus4. This is a common move to make a song feel less static, favoured particularly by guitar players. Listen to the smooth feel of the sus4 chord. In the next bar, I play the 3 add 11 chord, mainly because we haven't heard it yet in this video. Next up is the standard 4 chord. As mentioned earlier, it's nice to keep some standard triads as a breather between altered chords. Also, the 4 chord doesn't stay in key as a sus4 or add 11 chord, so I feel like it's a good one to keep in the progression. We then end on the 5 chord, using the preview idea I discussed of playing the sus4 before the add 11. Listen to the pleasing end to the progression that this provides. You've learnt how to use Add 11 chords. Now expand your harmony palette even more by watching the altered and extended chord playlist on screen.